Hi, this is Rachel Westland. I'm going to be doing option A, which is describing and diagramming a cell in all the organelles discussed in lecture content. And today is Thursday, September 7th. All right, guys, I know what you're thinking. This girl is not getting the points for this assignment with that blank picture. But I wanted to change things up a bit, so let's build a cell together. First, some background information about the cell. It is the first level of body organization to display the characteristics of life. The cell consists of the cell membrane, the cytoskeleton, and the cytoplasm. The cell membrane encapsulates the cell. This is diagrammed as the thick blue outline. The cell membrane provides support and protection, allows communication with other cells, and also allows some things to enter or exit the cell while prohibiting others. The cytoplasm is everything inside the cell, which includes the cytosol, more commonly known as intracellular fluid and organelles. The cytoplasm is made up of primarily water. This is the light tan area within the blue circle. The cytoskeleton is the internal support of the cell made by a network of supportive proteins. Now that we have established the basics, let's take a closer look at the organelles of the cells, which help the cells to carry out specific functions. First is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell and holds the DNA. The nucleus is surrounded by a bilayer membrane called the nuclear envelope. Also in the nucleus is the nucleus, which is responsible for the production of ribosomes. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a system of extensive channels known as cisternae. There is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is a continuous with the nuclear envelope and contains ribosomes. Remember, ribosomes are produced by the nucleolus and are responsible for peptide and protein synthesis. The ribosomes are represented here by the small black dots. There is also the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is continuous with the rough endoplasmic reticulum and is responsible for detoxifying the cytoplasm. The smooth reticulum does not have ribosomes. We have now reached the Golgi complex. This is a collection of flat sacs, also called cisternae. The Golgi complex is responsible for putting the finishing touches on the peptide and protein synthesis. The Golgi complex also synthesizes carbohydrates. Once proteins have their finishing touches, they are packaged in Golgi vesicles and transported within the cytoplasm. Occasionally, vesicles will transport products out through the cell membrane in a process called exocytosis. A special type of Golgi complex is lysosomes. Lysosomes travel around the cell and break down organelles and particles. They accomplish this by utilizing the approximately 50 different types of digestive enzymes they contain. Not to be fooled with lysosomes, peroxisomes are made up by the endoplasmic reticulum. Peroxisomes detoxify cells by producing hydrogen peroxide to break down particles. Finally, we have reached the powerhouse of the cell, the mighty mitochondria. Mitochondria are oval organelles that have numerous internal folds known as cristae, which increase the surface area for ATP production. Mitochondria synthesize ATP using a variety of starting materials. Last but certainly not least are centrioles. Centrioles are paired organelles arranged in a perpendicular fashion and contain numerous microtubules, which are proteins that function during cell division. During cell division, the microtubules are responsible for moving and arranging the components within the cytosol to ensure equal cell division. Alright guys, there you have it, a fully built cell, and hopefully a much better picture to view than at the start of this video. Thanks for listening.